Hello guys, how are you? Today we are going to work on page 57, student's book, and we are going to read something, but after we read, we are going to find the comparatives adjectives. Yes, then we are going to read because we need it says read and answer. All right, we are going to read this paragraph, and after that we need to answer these 4 questions. But remember, we are going to look for our comparative adjectives. Then, the new bluebird is faster. It's my first, and it is sure. Fast is 1 syllable. Then I need to add er. Then remember that always I'm going to add that. All right, the old model. All right, it is more comfortable. Yes, then this is comfortable. Yes, it has 3 syllables. Then this is long adjective. That's why it needs more before the adjective. All right, and it doesn't pollute the air because it runs on water. Oh my goodness, it doesn't use gasoline, it uses water. Oh my goodness, it is really okay. It uses very little energy, but it has a lot of power. It is more, again, comfortable. Then I need more always before a long adjective, and always I need than. All right, if I'm talking about long, I need than, and if I'm talking about short, then I need than. Okay, regular cars in and it. Okay, sorry, and it is also cheaper. Okay, I have another cheaper, and it has cheap. It is just 1 syllable. Then it means that it is short adjective. All right, it is the car of the future. All right, very good. We are going to check these questions, and we are going to answer that. What is the name of the car? The name of this car is, or the name of the car is, this is my answer. All right, we need to write complete sentences when we are giving an answer. All right, then the name of the car is tell me. Okay, number 2, is it slower than the old model? What do you think? Is it slower? What do you think? It says the new bluebird is faster than the old model. Then What is my answer? What is my answer? What do you think? Maybe I need to say, no, it isn't. All right? No, it isn't. Point. It is what? It says in our paragraph. Okay? Okay. Number 3. Does it use gasoline? Or what do you think? Do you remember that I said that it doesn't use gasoline? Yes? Then, does it use gasoline? Then I'm going to give a short answer, but I can't complete, all right? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Okay, this is a short answer. It uses, remember, always when I'm talking about it, he or she, I need to add an S. It uses what? Tell me, guys, all right? Then the last question, how many advantages does it have? Do you remember? How many advantages? I think many advantages. The most common is, I think, I think it has a lot of advantage because it is faster, it's more comfortable, it doesn't pollute the air, it runs on water, it uses very little energy, it has a lot of power, and it's cheaper, right? Then I think it has a lot of advantage. Write something, I don't know. Just identify something and write down, all right? Please. All right. I think it's everything for this video, all right? See you next time. Bye bye. I love you so much and I miss you. Bye bye.